Hi, I'm Gray, and I'm a 12-year-old balloon twister. And today, I'll be showing you how to make a really cool dragon. It only takes 2 balloons, and it's really easy to make. Let me show you how to make it. We're gonna need 1 green 160 and 1 blue 160. First, let's make the body. Get your green 160. You're gonna wanna blow it up to about there. Let some air out. And then tie it. Okay. Now we're gonna make the head. So make 2 half-inch bubbles. So just like that. Now put them together. Oops, it's almost done. Okay, now put them together and take this slack right here and tie it around here. So it's kind of hard sometimes, but tie it around. Then you can put it through here. So you do it like that. So you should have something that looks like this. So now we're gonna make another half-inch bubble. It'll be that big. Then we're gonna pinch twist it. So then we're gonna align it so make it look kind of like this. Maybe adjust it a little bit. Now you have the front of your dragon. Now we're gonna make, sometimes it might go to the side. You can turn it over to make it look more like that. Next, make probably 2 inches long. Like that. Then we're gonna make 2 bubbles like we did in the beginning. So that. Next, I'm gonna put them together and I want to twist them. And then align it. Now we have the head of our dragon. Next, we're gonna make the neck, so probably about 4 inches long. So that long. You could squeeze it to let some air out, so it could be softer. Next, we're gonna do a little bit of the more tricky part. We are gonna make 4 bubbles right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you see we have 4 bubbles right here. Now we're gonna put them together so it looks more like that. Then we're gonna twist it like this. So now we have the dragon's legs, little legs right here. Now make a body about probably that long. Then we're gonna make good old-fashioned dog legs. So about that long, and then put it together to where this meets, and then twist it, and align it on the bottom. Now you have the body of your dragon, and this will be the tail. If you have a little bit of a too long tail, what you can do is twist it to where you want it. I'll say I want it to about there. Then you can make a little bubble. So, little bubble right here. And then pop it. And then make sure you hold on to this part. Let it go. Then tie it at the end. Like that. And if you have a lot of slack left, you can get rid of it, or you could keep it to make it look like a cool scale at the end. So now for the tail, we can fold it this way. Just fold it this way, kind of massage its tail. And then do it over here too. So it should look something a little like an S on this side. So do that. and then kind of just carefully squish it, not so it pops, but just kind of squish it a little bit. Make sure it's nice and soft. And then your tail can kind of look like that. Now you have the body of the dragon. Now let's make the wings. Now blow up your blue 160. Blow it up all the way to about there. Just make sure there's quite a bit of air in it. Okay. Let a little bit of air out and tie. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these together and we're gonna make just a little pinch, just like that. So now there should be 2 little bubbles right here and there should be a little circle right here. Now get your dragon. Now that you have your dragon, we're gonna take this and we're gonna fold this little part into the tail and legs. So we're gonna take it like this and then twist it like this. It's a little hard. Okay. Fix your tail if it gets a little wonky, so make it look like that. Okay. Now, fold it, align it. Now we're gonna take this part, squeeze it a little bit, kind of massage it so there's a little bit of a hole right there. Then we're gonna take it and then fold it with the legs and the head. So take it like this and then fold it into it. Next, everything might be a little weird, so you can fix that. Just like that. Put that over there. Okay. Now the wings are attached to the dragon. So usually boys like it a little curved, but if it's a girl wanting a dragon, they could just have it like this. But if you want a little cool action right here, you can bend that like this and do the same, actually do it inward, and then do the same over here, and then kind of massage that and squeeze that. So just kind of squeeze it like that. Then you can do the same over here. So you can do this. What you can also do is you can take the middle and go like this. And so you can just go like kind of that. A little more. Now you have your cool balloon dragon. I'll be making videos every week, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. And remember, when it comes to making balloons, the possibilities are boundless.